Hello guys! We are now in our greenhouse area. And then now, he was so busy planting the seeds in this pot, black pot. It was really nice, huh? Look at this starter. It's a good where you can plant your starters here. Really nice. And then there's also black bottom. What is the name of this, honey?
The black. It's
Yeah.
a tray.
Yeah, it's a tray. Hold the water, Oh, it's not really for this one. It's different. Yeah, this is different.
That's because they didn't get the kind of big trays supposed to.
Oh,
Wait, shut the door.
I thought it's a set.
Shut the door. Too much wind in.
I thought it's a set, but it's not. Oh. But it's pretty. Now we have dill seeds. And then we have celery. What is the other one? We have a flower, a marigold flower. This marigold flower help out the
Keeps bugs and stuff out of the garden.
oh yeah, that
helps
out the bug.
Don't completely do it. It helps out.
Helps out. So this is a pichay. Pichay. This is mine, honey. You don't put this, huh? Because I had already a lot of like that. And then we have a carrot. Look at that. It's a lot of seeds. We ordered it in the seeds bank in Manila. Cauliflower. We hope that it will grow, Zucchini. Wow, the zucchini. Look nice. And then what is this? Red beets. His favorite. Red beets. Red onion. Oh, we had a lot. Butternut squash. Oh. Direction. This one. Bell pepper. Guys, I had already bell pepper. I will show you. Now he's ready. He mixed some dirt.
Got a little bit of everything in it. I took some of the soil out of your barrel over there. More rice husk.
Yeah.
And I put some
The
biofertilizer in it.
It's a biofertilizer. This is what do you call that? Yeah, it's a biofertilizer. And then he put also a vermicast. This one is really nice. This helps out the dirt be manageable. Honey na? Yeah. We have also rice husk in here. A lot of rice husk. This one sack left. The rest is we used it already. We had eggplant here. Look at that. This is our place. The place that we hang out every day.
I got cauliflower, I got broccoli, everything else in one pump.
I'm not, I didn't put it you. Bye-bye, lovey. I will show you my cucumber. Look at my cucumber, yeah. We have already few here, look. We had few already. There's a big one in here. This is the first one. That's so big. I have more in here. Look, pretty. That's my cucumber area. This is all our garden area. No, it's not. This is part of our garden area. All of the vines, we put them over there. Over there, the first row is a squash, then bitter gourd, string beans, and then there's also another kind of beans in here, Baguio beans. Then the cucumber, and then this area here is because we don't have we don't have something to climb on, so we just plant our red bell pepper here. Look at this, there is still a baby. I was hoping that they will survive in this dry season because here is summer and then it was so hot. I hope they will survive. So that's our video for right now, guys. Thank you for watching.